Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Claude to Gmail. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So if you want to connect Claude to Gmail, which will allow you to search your Gmail, create drafts, analyze emails, find attachments, and a lot more things, all you have to do is to come here to Claude, and then you need to click on Customize on the left-hand side. So once you come here, you are going to simply select Connect Your Tools. And here you are going to select Gmail. You are going to click here on Gmail. And before you proceed and connect to Gmail, all you have to do is to log in this case. You need to understand what are the tools available at the moment. So here you can see under Tools that you can create draft messages straight from Claude into your Gmail. You can read messages, specific messages with certain titles. You can read specific threads. You can search messages. Essentially, you can control your Gmail from Claude. So all you have to do is to go to Customize, Connect Tools, find Gmail, log in, and then here when you start any chat, you should be able to see basically here from Gmail. So you can select from Gmail, or you can simply type a prompt here and you can refer to your Gmail account. So that's it. That's how easy it is to connect Claude to your Gmail. That's all for this video also. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.